Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's a Monday and we're going to go into my lead gen secret. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had a good weekend. Let's get into it. I am going to talk about my lead gen secret. This is not going to be a review for my lead gen secret. So if you're here searching for some kind of detailed review, well, this is not it. However, you can find an entire playlist where I review my lead gen secret. I share with you guys my monthly results. I talk about different strategies that you can use, all in the description of this video. There's a playlist. Okay, so feel free to check that out. But this is not going to be a review to my lead gen secret. Instead, I'm going to show you guys specifically 3 ways that I personally use my lead gen secret. And I'm going to give you a 4th way, which basically is still following the similar strategy that we're talking about, but it's going to give you another avenue for revenue if you're interested. And the more you understand your traffic, the more you understand your advertising, the better results you can get, the better conversions you can get. Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, as I mentioned. I love talking about affiliate marketing on this channel, and my lead gen secret is a crucial part of my specific strategy. In fact, let me take a moment to just share with you guys my strategy. It is a 2-step simple affiliate marketing strategy. I have an entire course that explains this. It's a $1 course that explains this entire strategy. So in case you're interested, that link also is in the description. There are 2 steps. I leverage my lead gen secret. I use it as a catalyst. I pay for it. And I think now that it is something that is just a part of me. It's part of my bills that I love spending money for, because at the end of the day, I'm getting at least 10x back based on this strategy that I follow. Why? Because it focuses on actually 2 specific things. The first one is knowing your audience, and the second one is applying skill sets like email marketing to get better and better results as time goes by. I've been using this strategy for over 2 years, guys, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. Again, I'm not going to go into the details of the strategy. The step 1, which is using my lead gen secret and building an advertising budget. Step 2 is creating an entire ecosystem for yourself at the end of the day through email. So our focus is email. This is a slow and steady strategy that builds up income. It is not a get rich quick strategy. It is, first of all, that you shouldn't be going for any get rich quick strategies out there, because they don't exist. If you want something that lasts long term with affiliate marketing, focus on solving problems, guys. This is how it is. So I leverage the advertising budget that I have on step 1 to build an email list, and then I provide solutions for that specific email list that I'm building. That's how I generate commissions. So that's a nutshell. Again, it's very skill based. It's slowly and gradual that you're building up. Nothing happens overnight. If you're interested in anything or the way I'm sharing this information with you and the support and guidance that you need, then links in the description. Let's get into the 3 ways. So first and foremost, I just want to give an overview of what my lead gen secret is, and I want to clarify a lot of things, because people look for advertising opportunities all over the place. So my lead gen secret is an advertising opportunity. It gives you 100 leads every single day. That's all that they guarantee you. Okay, they don't guarantee you any results of those leads. They don't guarantee you any sales of those leads. But what they do guarantee you, they say that if you pay to be a part of the my lead gen secret ecosystem, I'm going to give you 100 leads every day. And these 100 leads are going to be business opportunity leads or co-registration leads in the wealth niche. There are people that are looking for, make money online offers, training, software, so on and so forth. Additionally, they're going to be US based leads. Why am I mentioning this specifically? I'm mentioning this specifically because a lot of the times we get confused with our traffic sources and think that, okay, if it's cheap, volume is what I need. If it's expensive, I need more quality. And so this is what I'm looking at, right? So a lot of people just have it in a black and white. And this is kind of a gray area, which I would say is a good thing to be in, because you're getting a higher quality targeted leads, which is tier 1 leads, like US based, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and so on and so forth. By the way, guys, if you like how I'm sharing this information with you, and if at any point of time you do just enjoy these videos, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I really appreciate it. I'm looking to grow my channel much more, but I want to give you guys authentic, realistic results, and this is what is happening with my journey. Okay, so hit that subscribe button if you're interested. Anyway, getting back to it. My lead gen secret, as I said, offers 100 leads, and these are tier 1 country leads. So basically that is giving you a high possibility of earning, like let's say spending potential rather than anything else. Okay, it doesn't mean that the other spaces or other leads that you get from different countries don't have earning potential. It's just simply these countries earn more, they spend more. Simple as that. Okay. as the GDP of different countries start to get higher and higher, different markets also start to go into this phase of spending more. Okay, so Asia is getting to that phase, and you're going to see a lot of other countries getting to that phase. Why? Because the GDP is increasing. It's just logical, guys. There's nothing else. I'm not going to get into the details, but yeah, they're guaranteeing you 100 leads, quality leads, basically from this country. That's the first thing. Now, I'm saying that they are guaranteeing you only leads and not sales, because when marketers like ourselves take a product like this, an advertising product like this, we need to implement our skill sets, which in this case, it is email marketing, to get the best results, right? So I use My Lead Gen Secret as an email list of my own. I can say that every day I get 100 leads in my 100 to 200 leads every single day in My Lead Gen Secret. It grows at least 3,000 leads a month, minimum 3,000 leads a month. And so over the next 2 or 3 years, you can start to generate quite a bit of leads. In fact, in one of my first account, actually, I have about 200, almost 200,000 leads that are there. And I send out an email to these leads every single day. So it accumulates over time. It doesn't mean that over time you're going to get better results. I think you can get good results even from just starting to the higher volume, obviously, but you can get good results even just starting out. Okay, just really, this is possible. And yeah, that's it. How much does it cost? It costs you about $60 to get started the first month, and then $30 that's a setup fee, and then $30 every single month after that to maintain. So ideally, you want to be making at least $30 a month to recuperate your costs, right? I am making about $300 to $500 every single month with this strategy, so I'm 10xing at least my profits. But again, those are not guaranteed. Those are my results alone. And I use 3 methods. So when we look at these kind of leads that we're getting, I want you guys to think of specifically the 3 main places where you can generate offers or get offers related to business opportunity, training, affiliate marketing, software, AI generation software, and so on and so forth. That's going to help solve problems for affiliate marketers, anybody in the make money online space, digital marketers, and so on. This is how I want you guys to think, okay? Because if you don't think about it that way, you won't find the right places. So the 2 main places that I use, or the way I use My Lead Gen Secret is 1 account per affiliate network. Okay, this is the way that I use it. What do I mean by this? Now, obviously not everybody's going to agree with me. Some people like 1 network and they're going to use 2, 3, 4 accounts, because with My Lead Gen Secret you can have multiple accounts, or with 1 network. Absolutely fine, guys. You do you. I'm just telling you how I use this tool. So I use 1 account per network. Why? Because I see that I want to test things out, and based over the next few years, based on what networks convert the best for me, that's what I'm going to be using in the forefront. Now, I know for a fact that Warrior Plus is 1 network. So this is 1 affiliate network that I use. And then ClickBank is the other affiliate network that I use. Now I need to log into ClickBank to show you guys more, but first let's talk about Warrior Plus. So Warrior Plus is a marketplace where you have you have to look, but you can find really good software, training, offers when it comes to make money online and digital products, traffic generation methods, traffic as a whole, you can find on Warrior Plus itself. This is very much doable, and I'm just going to show you like just the ones in. If you go to affiliate and just look at offers, I'm just going to show you the top offers right now so you guys understand. But I think Kevin Feige right now is doing a promotion or a new launch, so his ARM offer is here. Done about 1,000 sales in that recently. But you can see that there are different offers available, some related to AI, because we're in the AI stage, or however you want to call it. But there are multiple offers, and you can see I don't have links to any of these. I have links to just specific ones. So for example, I use Traffic Wave Generator, which is one of the offers that I'm personally promoting with My Lead Gen Secret right now as a different offer to see how it's converting. So I'm testing it right now. But it is to do with Pinterest traffic. Okay. So I'm solving a problem for people who use Pinterest. Now there may not be many people on My Lead Gen Secret who use Pinterest, but I want to see how many people actually convert. So how many sales can I make a month with this platform? Are people actually interested in Pinterest for My Lead Gen Secret alone? Okay. I'm not talking about other offers. I'm just talking about My Lead Gen Secret, just to give you guys an understanding. And you can find different offers that are available, email related. So there's a lot. There's really a lot. You need to request the permission to sell these offers. Now, a lot of the vendors, they have the automatic approval. Some vendors don't have the automatic approval, and in that scenario you have to request information and they may give you permission or not. I think the best way to get permission for any product or service is actually by purchasing it. I just see it as an ethical way. So all the products and services that I personally share with other people, I own myself, because I honestly want to talk about the offer very openly, and owning it does help me understand it, use it, learn from it, apply the information, talk about it, and share as an affiliate. So I'm the user, I'm the product of the product, kind of, right? So that's how I use Warrior Plus. It's good for low ticket offers, guys. Anything between $9, $17, $27, $47, these kind of offers. They do have a lot of upsells because each of the funnels that are created within Warrior Plus itself, they go up to about $400 to $500 or even more sometimes, because obviously the vendors need to make money as well, right? So they have these different levels so that they recuperate their costs also on the front end. So this is the first place that I personally use. I have a list of affiliate products. Now, if you do decide to get the course that I have in the description, I can give you exactly the affiliate products that I promote with my Legion Secret and that convert. That's just available as a bonus kind of in my training itself. Okay, so that's the first place. The second place is ClickBank. Sorry, I'm going to share with you how I use it with ClickBank. All right, guys, so I'm logged into my ClickBank right now, and let's get into it, right? So I want to show you guys what I promote specifically with ClickBank, and now I have ClickBank purely for my Legion Secret, guys. I don't do anything else with ClickBank right now. Right now, I'm purely using it for my Legion Secret. So all the sales that you see on ClickBank, and if I just go like kind of, I don't know if I do custom or year to date, just to show you guys this year of 2025, I've made $1,593, almost $1,600 paid. This is paid out to me, okay? Because I have an automatic payout whenever it hits about over $100, I get paid out. I just think it's a good system to have. So it's also my incentive to get higher commissions, right? To pay 3 or 4 payouts every single month from ClickBank. That's the aim. But yeah, just to show you guys, this is kind of my weekly result, my monthly results, and so on and so forth. But it's been pretty good. I haven't gone a month over 300. You can see right here, this was the highest month, which was 276, which is not bad. I want to reach at least $300 a month. That's the minimum that I want to reach, but I'm getting there. And yeah, I'm using my Legion Secret primarily for it. Here, however, I took a different approach. So as you guys know, with Warrior Plus, I was looking at offers, affiliate marketing offers, training, so on and so forth. Here, instead, I decided to go the pure make money online route, which means in the affiliate marketing space, or the marketplace, sorry, you can see that they have different categories out here. If you click on e-business and e-marketing, that's the only thing that's relevant for specifically my Legion Secret. Now, I know people have been recently, I've heard it's seen that people have been sharing this fast wealth offer, and it's been converting well with my Legion Secret. I have never shared that, so I don't know, and I don't want to talk about it because of that. But what I do is I'm going to go to gravity score and go to high to low so that you guys can see. And live chat jobs, fast wealth is also there. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Paid online writing jobs. Instadoodle, write app reviews. These are offers that are converting really well with my Legion Secret. Now, I'm not going to share. I have a John Thornhill Ambassador program. I'm also testing that. But again, you need approval here. I am an affiliate for John Thornhill, which is why I get access to these kind of offers. But yeah, it's really, you really have to take into consideration what you are doing. Like I would even say this one right here, AI Marketers Club by John Crestani, is an interesting one to look at. In fact, I might want to see what the affiliate page is about, just out of curiosity. The affiliate page over here, I don't even think you can get the affiliate link. Oh, you can. But I wanted to just see how it was, but it looks like it doesn't show me what the affiliate page is. I need to sign in or create an account. Yeah, I need to create an account. Okay, anyway, it says up to 75% revenue share. If I click on this offer just to look, it says front end is $27, ODA $197. So you're basically getting 75% commission on $27. This is a good range to test with my Legion Secret also. So might be an interesting offer to look at. So in 2025, it's not been doing the best, but it's had a good interest. Yeah, and the last couple of months, it's been doing well in terms of conversions, and then it's dropped. Overall rank has improved though, and gravity score, interesting. So this is an offer that I would actually look at in terms of, but I would use it with my Legion Secret account as well. But otherwise, I digress, honestly. Let me go back to what I was talking about. All of these other live chat jobs, write app reviews, and all the other ones that I mentioned are service based offers. So they're side hustles. Okay, they're side hustles that purely make money online, and this is what I'm targeting. So when I write my emails on for clickbank offers, I focus on these side hustles, and I say this side hustle, you have to exchange time for money, but if you're looking to make money online, it could be an option. Now people do respond really well to clickbank offers, as you guys have seen my results as well. So Water Plus and ClickBank are my main ones. I wanted to give you an additional one so that you guys understand, but JVZoo is something that I've not tested out. So I'm not going to speak too much about it, but it's the third way that you could use it is looking at offers. Now I know that JVZoo has more software based offers. I wouldn't think software based offers is the best solution for my Legion Secret because just the kind of leads that are there. But you can test it out. Okay. I want you guys to let you know. What does work for me is that if you do have other offers that are related to make money online, training, affiliate marketing training. So for example, I don't want to name companies, but there are systems and companies and capture pages softwares out there. There's Lead Lightning that converts well with my Legion Secret, for an example, and so on and so. There are multiple options available. I don't want to get into naming companies and stuff like that. But if it's a good product within a specific range, it's not a high ticket product, guys. It should be a low ticket product. I believe it will convert really well with my Legion Secret. So that is something to take into consideration, to think about. And those are the 3 4 ways that you can get started, guys. If you want to know the information that I'm using, how I'm writing my emails, what kind of prompts I'm using, and so on and so forth, then the course is in the description of this video. It's a nominal fee of $1 if you want to get started, and I'm going to see you guys on the inside for sure. As I mentioned, if you are interested, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I post 3 times a week on this channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the other videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here, and I will see you. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.